The KTT Extra Large Tent is perfect for outdoor adventures with family and friends, offering a spacious interior with 2 rooms, 3 doors, and 3 windows with mesh for ventilation. Constructed with 100 polyester and high-density mesh, this tent features a unique straight wall design that maximizes interior space and comfort. While not an automatic pop-up tent, the KTT tent is designed for those with good hands-on ability, providing a large space that can accommodate 10 to 12 people, making it ideal for camping, picnics, and family gatherings. The tent's innovative design includes 2 poles for the door curtain, allowing it to transform into an awning tent for added versatility and enjoyment, even raising the cost to enhance your camping experience. Experience the outdoors in style and comfort with the KTT Extra Large Tent, a durable and waterproof option that combines quality with practicality to create memorable camping moments.